And now we bring you our app of the week, and it's our regular contributor, Kareen Kiwan. Thank you, Kareen, for sending this through. Your demos are always popular and get a lot of hits, especially on YouTube. And this week, Kareen demonstrates the ADB app control.
Hi. If you want to use ADB to deal with applications on your phone, but you are not familiar with ADB commands, this tool is for you. This is my demonstration of some of the features in the ADB app control, a tool that uses a graphical interface instead of commands. I'm using NVDA on Windows. If you use the software on Windows 10 and above, you are not required to install additional drivers, but if you are on previous versions of Windows, the app should guide you in the process of the additional driver installation for ADB to work properly. Now, when you connect the phone for the first time, the tool should ask you to install the companion app on the phone. This app is not required for the tool to work, but it will let it display more information, like the displaying of the app names instead of just displaying the package names of the applications. Of course, you need to enable USB debugging using developer options on your phone. I will not go into steps here. And let's launch the app, the tool.
Console.add-bap-control.exe5 form start.
Now I will connect my phone using USB cable.
Charging started. Battery level is 53.
New notification
Allow USB
from
debugging. Allow USB debugging. The computer's RSA key fingerprint is 51D. Checkbox unchecked. Always allow from this computer.
I can check this.
Cancel. Allow.
And I have the allow.
Parser.
Now it will load. If you face connection issues, usually a restart of the phone should solve the problem.
Add BAP control 1.7.3.
Okay, I will move with the tab key.
Enable network debugging button.
Here I have the network debugging, but I didn't use it before. I always use USB. And here I have a dialog. To read it, I should use screen review mode on NVDA. Let's see.
And get access to the extended version of the program with new cool and useful functions to say thank you and inspire new ideas.
Okay, so it's asking me if I want to use the extended version, which is a version that adds additional features, and it's a way to support the project. I will cancel it for now.
Cancel button. Add BAP control.
Now I will move with the tab.
Get help button. Open programs folder button. Check for updates button. Change language button. Support the project. Button. Edit selected search. X button. Button. Loading button. Tab control. Applications.
I'm in the applications tab. I will move with tab again.
Create table.
This is the table of the applications that I have on my phone.
Row 1 row. Application name row 1 selected. Row 2 row. Application name row 2 3 button navigate.
Of course, I'm moving with the down arrow.
Row 3 row. Application name row 3 Aussie service. Row 6 row. Application name row 6 accessibility selected.
Okay, let's read the package name of this. I will move with the right arrow.
Package row 6 com.samsung.accessibility selected.
Okay, so now I will move the tab again.
All radio button checked.
I have the filtering. If I move with the down arrow here, I will be changing the filter to system apps, then to user installed apps, then to disabled, then to backed up apps if I want to restore any of them. So I will just move directly with the up arrow to go to the restoration.
Add BAP control 1.7.3 unavailable.
I will alt tab to read.
OK button.
Let's read it with screen review mode again.
Recovery. Important. Select the ones you need and click. This list contains deleted system applications. Select the ones you need and click restore. If successful, the application will appear in the main list. Important. Android version 7 and below do not support. Recovery. Add BAP control 1.7.
Okay, so it's very important to back up applications before uninstalling them. because maybe uninstalling an app just led to issues with another applications or with the system, or you just want to change your mind and use the app again. So for that reason, this is very important. Now I'll see what I have.
Deleted radio grid table. Row 0 row. Application name row 0 Bixby routine selected.
Okay, I have the Bixby routines. Let's just press the application key or Shift F10.
Drop down menu. Bixby routines.
Here the name.
Copy app name. Copy package name. Set permissions. Search inch. Restore.
I will restore it.
Task completed. Dialog applications restored 1/1.
Okay,
OK button.
so
Tab.
now let's move again to the all section.
Deleted radio button checked. Grid table. Rows.
And use the search.
Application loading. Button. Edit select button. Edit selected search.
And search for the routines. I just typed ROU.
X button.
Let's
Button.
see.
Loading button. Tab control. Grid table. Grid table. Row 325 row. Row 320. Row 325 system dot. Application name row 325 rounded not select. Row 47 row. Application name row 47 Bixby routines not select.
Here you go. If I press on the application key right here,
Drop the disable acapella TTS voices.
so what is focused actually is the acapella TTS voices. So this is an issue with screen reader with NVDA. I'm not sure if it's with other screen readers, but the focus when you are doing a search will not be on the thing that you are already that you are focusing with the arrow. So I will move to the item below
All radio
the
grid table.
Bixby routines.
Row 325 row. Application name row 325 rounded not selected.
And press the application.
Drop down menu. Disable Bixby routines.
The good part that it's telling me the name, so I'm sure what I'm dealing with. So here it's the Bixby routines. I will uninstall it. Let's see before what we have.
Copy app name. Copy package name. Set permissions. Search inch. Clear app data. Save. Uninstall. Disable. Bixby routine. Uninstall.
Uninstall, and let's see.
Attention. Dialog removing or disabling system applications may result in failure of the device. No button alt. Yes button alt. Backup dialog. Want to backup app files before uninstalling? Recommended. Yes button alt plus Y.
Of course, this is the backup. I will back up.
Task completed. Dialog removed applications 1/1.
Okay,
OK button.
so
Tab.
it's removed. Of course, if you are not rooted, the uninstallation is not complete. It's just disabling the app for the user.
All radio. Select all checkbox not. Total button. Update application data but load preset but save preset but auto permissions but upload files button. Find and disable bloatware on your device button.
I'm moving with the tab. I can find and disable bloatware on my device. I didn't use this before because I usually uninstall applications one by one using the normal method.
Install button.
I can install applications to my phone using this.
Or Telegram channel button. Enable network debug. Get help button. Open programs folder button. Check for updates but change language.
Okay, I will just talk finally about something which is related to commands. The app contains a console that will let you type commands if you are just more comfortable with commands.
Support the button. Edit row. X button. Button. Loading button. Tab control.
I will move with Control Tab to change the page
Tools tab
or
selected.
the tab. Here I have the tools. I will not go into details regarding this. Let's see what we have here.
Control your device screen button. Pow button. Vol plus button. Vol button. Take screenshot button. Reboot button. Combo box collapse button. Button. Status screen resolute button. Video recording button. SCRCPY installed. Setting 2 cam button. Select the status bar icons. Samsung enable net. Get help button. Open. Check for up. Change language. Support button. Loading. Tab control. Edit multi-line.
Again, Control Tab. I'm in the edit box where I can type ADB commands. I will just test or try one, which is to launch Google's TalkBack. If you are on Samsung devices running Android 11 and above, you know that it's not possible to start Google's TalkBack even if it's installed on your device. It will not be shown in the accessibility services. So you can enable it from here or launch it from here. I will turn off commentary and I will paste the command, and let's see.
com.google.android.marvin.talkback. Edit multi-line
Talkback
blank.
on. Parser. Gain 0 decibels.
There we go. Let's see.
Talkback. Cancel. System. Text to speech. Talkback setting. Talkback setting. Navigator. Braille. Customize gesture. Verbosity. Text. Audio. New features in Talkback setting. Navigate up. Button. Open Talkback at the Play Store.
So this was my demo of the ADB app control tool. The tool is easy to use. It's nice. I like it because I don't like to deal with commands actually. And but anything you do with this application is done at your own risk, of course. Thank you.
Thanks, Kareen.